In today's video, I am going to teach you how to record customization for objects. This process lets you control what users see on an object record and how the information is arranged. A well-organized record view makes it faster to find key details, and it helps keep data entry consistent. Start by opening your settings area. From there, click Objects. Then locate and select the object called Contacts. This brings you into the configuration options that control how contact records look and behave. Next, find and click the Record Customization tab. This is where you can adjust the layout of the contact record, including which fields appear, where they appear, and how sections are grouped. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct place before making changes, especially if your system has multiple objects with similar names. Now click Customize. You will focus on the middle column or the sidebars depending on what your layout supports. After selecting the area you want to edit, choose Default View. The default view is the standard layout that most users will see, so any changes you make here typically affect the primary record experience. At this point, you can rearrange the layout by dragging properties or entire sections. Move the most important information higher on the page so it is visible right away. Group related fields together so the record reads naturally, and so users do not need to jump around to complete common tasks. As you drag items, pay attention to spacing and section placement to keep the layout clean and easy to scan. If you need to add new fields, click Add in the left sidebar. This opens the list of available fields you can place onto the record. Drag the new field into the exact spot where it makes the most sense, near related information. Add only what is necessary, since too many fields can make the record feel cluttered. When you are satisfied with the layout, click Save and Exit in the top right. This applies your changes. After saving, it is a good habit to review a contact record to confirm the layout looks correct and that the fields appear where you expect. That covers everything you need to know.